Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if Roblox is not installing. So what you need to do, you just need to open Roblox. You just need to go to control panel and just go to install program. And now you just need to click on player, Roblox player to install it. So it will install your Roblox app. Once you install and search for roblox.com, it uh, uh, will take you to the homepage of Roblox. If you go to open any game you want, open any game. If you want any game, now you just need to click on play button to install Roblox. So it will try forcibly trying to open Roblox app because Roblox is not on the system. It will ask you to download and install it. Just click on it, and your installer file will be downloaded here. You just need to click on it to download. Just click on the download file to install your Roblox app. And as you can see, got this app. Yeah, you can see the Roblox has been starting down installing. So just wait for it to finish it. Once the Roblox app is installed, right now, it's take a very few second or minutes to complete the process, and once you install it, it will automatically open your Roblox app, and even you don't have to log in because it always, if you have installed the Roblox Studio, it will log in by that app as well. So now it's starting the Roblox app, and as you can see, we successfully reinstalled the Roblox app. So this is how you can fix your Roblox app if it is not installing. Thanks for watching.